Alright, here's our intake manifold. Came out of the hot tank there. Cleaned up pretty good. We got about 4 minutes on that, I think.
Yeah.
Still got a little bit of black on the inside that we can put it back in the tank if we want some more. We can do that. It's not going to hurt it any. So that's fine.
Woo! Look at that water.
Water getting dirty. We don't need to bring them up like that. Just flip the head over. Let's see, we got the loose stuff on the crud of
I'm
it.
just gonna pick it up. I'll just hit it with the brush real quick for a second. You know what I mean?
Pull it all the way up. Okay, pull it up.
There we go.
Okay. I like these handles. They're nice. Okay, we see the paint's coming off. That's good. This one looks a lot better on the back. It's silver on there. That was a silver head. Did you know that? Those are silver painted. There's going to be a lot of liquid in one of those. These are already dry.
You didn't pay too much for this stuff, did you? It looks old and crusty and gross.
What's that? The cleaner or the heads? Or the owner? Where'd your screwdriver at? Whoa. Oh, that's not too much carbon on this thing. They're pretty clean. Did you come all over this thing? What is this? Not too bad. I don't know. Where we left it. You need a stronger basket if you keep lifting. Put these heavy iron heads in here. What are you looking for? Scraper? Cutter?
That scraper that I had from the...
I don't know. I haven't seen it. I haven't seen it for a while. On the shelf over there, maybe? Somewhere else? On the floor? Okay, we're just going to scrape some of the carbon off of this. The head's too hot to touch right now. 150 degrees probably. I'm not filming what I'm doing because I'm watching what I'm doing, not the camera. Be sure to leave comments about how crappy my videos are. Cameraman sucks. Oh well. I like him. Maybe get a tripod. There you go. Double head scrapers. I don't have any gloves though.
A little warm over there?
It's only warm if you touch it. Shouldn't be a problem then. Just don't touch it. It's got this wire basket, it's not rated for the poundage of these heads.
A little over the top for it.
Yeah. flexing quite a bit. Good with that. Exhaust port doesn't look too bad.
These things are grody.
Imagine that.
Hope you didn't pay too much for these things.
I didn't pay anything for them.
Oh, hope I didn't pay too much for them.
They're not my hits. I know I didn't pay squat for them. I think mine looks good. My good one. Gross. It's nasty. Oh, it's pretty big. I found the muck department right here. Did you get the muck
I found a
department?
few.
Did you get the one underneath the valve cover?
Yeah, right here? Yeah.
Yeah.
Found a tip.
I wonder why cleaner gets so dirty. I think there's an oil leak on this place.
That's our one big oil leak.
You wig it just a little bit. Okay, I can't, roll now. Okay, you got the rolls. I can't maneuver with a simple little towel.
What are we gonna do? How do you wanna go this time?
You're gonna roll it on its top, like that.
Alright.
Shove it all the way over, because that doesn't get cleaned on that side. Okay, now you take yours and put it over there. See, my basket's getting all bent up from overloading it. How'd the chrome cover turn out? Still got some muck on that thing too, surprisingly. Actually, rotate that cover up and put it clear. Yeah, like that, that'll be fine. It'll bend a little bit, it'll be flexible. It's starting to cool off a little bit. Okay.
Alright.
I think that'll work pretty good. Yeah, going like that, maybe. Yeah, maybe like this a little bit. Yeah, push it like that too. Flip it over, just like that.
You like that?
Yeah, I think it looks good.
Okay.
There you go. I'll hold it.
Yeah.
I'll do it. I have to roll them a little bit to get them in the water. Yep, they're in the water. That's all that matters. It's got to be in the water a little bit. Doesn't take much. A little seepage there.
It's like his water looked right after
Yeah.
stuff in it.
His water wasn't this dirty.
We probably showed him, he was like, we were in the morning, he was like, fucking A, all day long.
We can't even see through our 1/8 inch of water here. It's so dirty. You got a lot of. Yeah, roll them back and forth a little bit just to see if there's any. Don't. Why are you making a mess like this? I said roll around a little bit, not both, and don't get carried away. We're just trying to get the oxygen level out of the motor. Right down the front of my bench here. I need a towel. Keep losing my towels. We can't both walk the same spot. We don't want to be going down my material here. Okay. No more bubbling going on? Yeah, a little bit, but that's all right. Okay, we'll go for what, 12 minutes that time?
He gets mad when you hit those buttons.
He does not like those buttons at all. We're gonna do the sweep this time, or heavy? I think we need to go full again. What do you think? We can come back and do sweep later. We're going full power because these things are nasty. You hear it running? There it goes. Hey, get out of there.
You see it working?
I see something happening.
It's working, I can see it.
It's getting dirtier. It's getting dirtier, that's all I can say. It's just so nasty we can't even see it. So what are we going to what's the filter with?
What's that?
Coffee strainer, wasn't it, you said?
Yeah.
We got one? Filters?
The one I make my coffee with every day.
Perfect. It'd be knucklehead coffee. Yeah, I think we need to maybe filter out some of these big chunks. But he said it works better with chunks, so that'd be all right. Either way, it's doing something. It's on high output. Temps at 154, 152, fluctuating. What are you doing down there, huh? What are you doing down there? All right, where's the lid? Try to keep some of the heat in here. Slows down some of the leakage. Oh, it actually seals up pretty good.
Oh, it's really nice. I wonder we didn't have it sit on there right all the time.
I don't know. It looks good that time. What are you doing down there, huh? What are you doing down there? Come on, let's go. Move, move. In my way. We're already at 10 minutes. 4.12 gigahertz or something. 412. Hertzes. I don't know. 390, 39. What? What are you doing down there?
Tell him, dude.
All right. These might get dirtier if we put those in.
Hey, Bob.
We'll see. All right, we'll do that.